Chapter 4. Side Hustle Power. Boost your income, boost your savings. All right, now let's talk about one of my favorite topics, side hustles. Remember, when it comes to achieving your financial goals, it's not just about cutting back on spending. It's also about boosting your income. And side hustles are an incredible way to do just that. During those 3 months of intense saving, I really ramped up my side hustle game. I tapped into my skills and found freelance gigs online. I sold stuff I no longer needed on platforms like Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. And I even experimented with driving for a rideshare service on the weekends. The point is, there are countless ways to make extra money in today's gig economy. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests, skills, and schedule. And the beauty of side hustles is that even a little extra income can go a long way. We're not necessarily talking about replacing your full-time job here. Although, hey, if you can swing it, more power to you. Even an extra $100 or $200 a month can make a significant difference when you're consistently putting it towards your savings goals. So, get creative, explore your options, and don't underestimate the power of a well-executed side hustle.